Ferrari.
We have actually privatized and shut down the parking lot here at the Ferrari Museum for us to have our cars on display.
Great appearance. We came in a great appearance. We give them a lot of shows and we enjoy it. So everybody will enjoy it.
We have visited the Museum of Ferrari and we are going to the Museum of Enzo Ferrari. We are enjoying the trip so far.
Great. Museum was beautiful. First museum and this special museum, beautiful cars, a lot of history, and spent some money too.
So this is my first time to be in Modena here and visit the Ferrari Museum. And we all follow Formula One. If you are a big fan of Formula and Scuderia Ferrari, definitely you will connect. We loved our guide. We went through some of the special cars that were produced by Ferrari and the story behind it and how things come together. It's all was very entertaining and enjoying.
This is Lamborghini, man. Santa Gata. Welcome here.
We will have a pretty busy evening and night. I will not spoiler too much.
I think you're crazy to spend 2 weeks driving around in supercars, but I'm glad that you made it and you're all safe and you're all comfortable. Definitely great experience.
Yeah.
Definitely the best experience. Supercar cars and Lamborghini.
Of course. Perfect match. Perfect match.
Perfect match.
I've been driving Lamborghini for so many years. Never had an experience to go and see how they build the car.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of Supercars Tribe, we'd like to thank, of course, Lamborghini, represented by Lamborghini Saudi Arabia and, of course, Samarco. This is not a special night. This is a very, very exclusive night, and, of course, a very exclusive factory visit, and, of course, It's once in a lifetime experience. So thank you everyone, Lamborghini Saudi Arabia, and of course Samarco, for this wonderful experience. Thank you again. Have a lovely evening. Thank you.
Buonasera in Sant'Agata Bolognese. Thank you so much for Lamborghini gifts. Thank you for the factory tour. Thank you for the dinner. Thank you Supercars Tribe. Thank you Michelin. Thank you Lamborghini Saudi Arabia for all what you have done for us. See you next time.